I've been with the Partnership for Families for about 2.5 years now, and I came on as the new executive director in about 2015. So the Partnership for Families was founded about 14 years ago by the Robbins Foundation, and the purpose was to ensure that families with young children, especially vulnerable families with young children, those who are low and moderate income, had all the resources they need in order to raise children who were healthy, who were ready to begin kindergarten, ready to read and learn, and who themselves had the ability to make really good decisions about their children as well as about their community, so that we could create really safe environments for children, for young children to grow and thrive here in Northside. We do that by partnering with about 12 organizations. At any given time, it's somewhere between 12 and 25 organizations who really are engaged in best practices around early literacy and learning, and all of those resources that a family might need to really appropriately provide support for their young children. One of the challenges that PFF had faced was, although all of our partners could really track data well and tell the story of how their individual organizations were doing, what we were not able to do was to track how our collective work together was having an impact on families. And so that's what I wanted to see. If you got a really kind of intense focus on families with multiple partners providing multiple services to a family, we ought to see some really good progress. And so IT for Causes sat down with our partners and sat down with us to begin thinking about the best software package that could accomplish what they were originally here to do, which is to help with case management, and then secondarily to help track family progress over time. I think if we didn't have IT for Causes, we might not have taken this step into this higher level of technology. We just probably wouldn't have been able to hire that capacity here. And so, that advantage is huge because it forces us to, I think, a little differently about the possibilities of really kind of looking at higher level data analysis, higher level technology that might not be as scary and as expensive as we thought. They have partnered with my staff in training the staff at the local partner agencies so that that they understand how to make referrals in the system. They understand how to use the system to look at reports and pull reports. And so they have helped not only get us launched, but manage the process in an ongoing way. And they've been really excellent. And I would say that they have grown in this arena and we have grown. So we've kind of grown together and created, I think, something new as a resource in this community that now not only can we access here at PFF, but other organizations who are in need of this kind of, really looking at their data systems and looking at their technology systems and capacity and saying, okay, let's troubleshoot, let's assess what's going on, and then let's create a solution with you. So the benefit of sitting with IT for Causes and really just kind of learning together has been really, really tremendous, I think.